I'm as cool as a middle schooler right now. I can't stop.
Oh yeah. Oh, my finger, it just keeps going.
I went to sleep like this and I woke up like this. I never put it down.
Tape. You know why?
Cass.
I'm talking. You know why this is duct tape?
Cass.
What, Lynn?
Look. Oh.
That was really cool. Guess what?
What? It's spinning.
Yeah, but you're lucky because if yours has
guess what?
Guess what?
What?
Wait, hold on. Listen. Yay! It's like the ocean.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, guess what? It's gonna put you to sleep. Listen.
It's not gonna put me to sleep.
Cass.
No, don't tell me.
I can't handle it.
Don't tell me.
Cass! Watch. Under your pajama knee. Oh, that was good. Right?
I think that this makes children smarter.
Yeah, it makes them smarter. It makes them... And it's a really hard skill to acquire.
Skill.
I mean, it's
But how do
almost
you
as
keep
hard
it
as
going?
nunchuck skills, but not quite as hard as
need
nunchucks.
some nunchucks.
I mean, okay, I'm gonna show you again, you guys. This is pretty fantastic. Under the bridge.
You stick your tongue out, it goes better. Good one.
Still spinning!
On my cheek.
Cass!
Show me.
Cass! Okay, this is called Around the World. Cass!
It was worth it.
Cass!
What?
This is called the raging chin.
The raging chin.
Oh!
So, armpit.
It's
Ben. The cooler offer.
This is called the DIY fan.
Speaking of fans. Oh, look at her. She looks so luxurious.
Fidget Spinner multi-use fan! Cass!
There's more.
Cass!
Help.
Cass!
Yes, dear.
Okay, watch. This is called the Tower of the Toes.
Oh, no. Such a good use of your time.
I just feel like if I can just keep them spinning all the time, then I am a successful person. Keep the spin!
Yeah,
This is called the double spin biddies. I mean, can you do this? Snap! Bullshit. This is if I feel a little fidgety. Just a little. I feel a little fidgety, so I gotta use this.
I think we need a bigger.
I need a big fidget spinner.
How do you feel now?
I feel like there's no way I can fidget. I'm busy holding this and turning this. Like
It's a pretty heavy fan. And you get to work out in the process. Why don't you give it a curl?
I think I can do tricks. Do around the world. On the chin. On the chin. I just think our parents are super duper lucky that they didn't have to deal with fidget spinners.
Hey. Ask me a question. Do it. Ask me.
Helen, ask me a question. Do it. Do I hate fidget spinners?
Yes. In the 90s, all we did was like productive things.
There was
all the
never
time.
anything annoying. Like
No,
our parents
nothing
were
like-
so lucky.
Oh, I gotta go potty. Can you take care of my Giga Pet? Oh, he's really hungry. He's really hungry. I gotta go. I better feed the dang Giga Pet. I'm up to 100 pogs. I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, I stand corrected. But could they do this?
Okay, don't forget, like,
Comment,
share,
subscribe,
all that good stuff.
thanks. He said good stuff.